everyone, welcome back to Smart Money Path. Hope you're all doing fantastic today. Welcome back to the channel. We're thrilled to have you here with us. Today, we're diving into 5 side hustles you can start today. No joke, these are perfect for anyone looking to boost their income. And the best part? They're all things you can do from anywhere with an internet connection. Imagine the freedom and flexibility. We're talking about becoming a freelance wordsmith, where you can write articles, blogs, or even books. Sharing your knowledge as an online tutor is another fantastic option. Help students from around the world and make a difference. And even building your own online empire through dropshipping. Sell products without ever handling inventory. So, if you're ready to level up your income and learn some seriously valuable skills along the way, buckle up. This journey is going to be exciting. This video is packed with all the information you need to get started on your side hustle journey. Let's do this. Grab a notebook and pen, and let's dive in. Whether you're looking to make a little extra cash on the side or completely transform your financial situation, these side hustles can help you achieve your goals. Remember, the key to success is consistency and dedication. Stick with it, and you'll see the results. So let's get started and make those dreams a reality. Stay tuned for the rest of the video where we break down each side hustle in detail. First up, we're talking about freelance writing. Businesses are always looking for people to write website content, blog posts, social media captions, you name it. You can find gigs on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Freelance writing gives you the freedom to be your own boss, set your own hours, and earn some serious cash. Plus, the more you write, the better you get, and the higher your earning potential becomes. It's a win-win. Next up is for all the brainiacs out there. If you have a passion for learning and a talent for teaching, this one's for you. If you've got a knack for explaining things and love a certain subject, whether it's math, science, literature, or history, online tutoring might be your calling. It's a fantastic way to share your knowledge and make a difference in someone's academic journey. Platforms like Tutor.com and Chegg Tutors connect you with students who need help in various subjects from math and science to English and history. These platforms make it easy to find students who need your expertise. You can choose the subjects and grade levels you're most comfortable with and set your availability. This flexibility allows you to work around your own schedule, making it a perfect side gig. Imagine helping a student ace their next exam while you're chilling in your PJs. You can teach from the comfort of your home, in your own time. That's the beauty of online tutoring. It's convenient, rewarding, and a great way to earn some extra cash while doing something you love. 3. Build your online empire with dropshipping. Dropshipping is like having your own online store without the hassle of managing inventory. You find a product, list it on your store, and when someone buys it, the supplier ships it directly to the customer. Your focus is on finding awesome products, marketing your store, and providing excellent customer service. With dropshipping, you're building a real business, learning valuable e-commerce skills, and who knows, maybe even creating your own brand one day. 4. Become a social media mastermind. Social media management is a booming industry, and businesses are constantly looking for skilled individuals to handle their online presence. If you know how to craft engaging captions, create eye-catching visuals, and understand the ins and outs of different platforms, this could be your dream side hustle. Imagine getting paid to create scroll-stopping content, run ads, and build a loyal online community, all while wearing your comfiest sweatpants. 5. Design it, sell it, print on demand. Print on demand is the perfect side hustle for all you creative geniuses out there. Platforms like Printful and Teespring make it super easy to create and sell custom-designed products. You create the design, upload it to the platform, and they handle the printing, shipping, and customer service. This side hustle allows you to unleash your creativity, build a unique brand, and earn passive income from your designs. There you have it, 5 awesome side hustles that can help you boost your income and achieve your financial goals. Whether you're a wordsmith, a brainiac, an entrepreneur, a social media guru, or a creative genius, there's a side hustle out there for you. Each of these opportunities offers a unique way to leverage your skills and passions into extra income. So, what are you waiting for? The time to start is now. Choose the side hustle that speaks to you, take that first step, and commit to making it happen. With dedication and effort, you'll soon see the extra cash start rolling in. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might also benefit. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on boosting your income. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Keep hustling and stay motivated.